last lesson, we went over templates and sections. In this lesson, I want to show you how you can be able to use the element. This is where you're going to spend time. You're going to use different things from here. So these are some of the elements. So like countdown, the Facebook like box, the gallery, the heading. And I want to show you how you can be able to use each one independently, okay? Because what you see here is every website is comprised of all these different things mixed into one. So when you go over to, let's say, template, everything that you see here was used as using element. So these are different elements that they've used to create it. So now let's break down each one so you understand, how to use it. So let's go to add section. And I'm just going to start off with just a common one section here. You can pretty much pick and choose any section type that you want here and adjust that later on. But let's click on just this one here. So you click to add element. Okay, the first element that you see here is the accordion. You can go to my element, you can go to general, you can go to Joomla, and you can go to pro. So these are all the pro elements. So let's start off first. We're just going to go through this here. And let's click on accordion. So when you click on the accordion, this is really great for like a Q&A. If you have a lot of item like on a list format that you want people to be able to get through quickly, but you don't want to have this whole page stretched out, a list accordion is a great way to do that. So you can click on each one and you can put in here, how do you get started, or whatever question or whatever you want to put there. You put that there and you click here to close it. You do the same thing for the second one. You add your item, you can edit text. If you have an image you want to put, you can put the image right there, but I'm not going to put anything. And part of what I want you to do too is I want you to experiment. Okay. I want you to experiment with different things here. So let's go up. Now the behaviors, you can choose quick rich markup. You can allow multiple items to be opened. So as you see right now, you have the first one that is open. If I click on not to allow any items to be open, this first item is not going to be open. I can choose to close first item. So you can go here and just kind of play with these. So for the icon, you can choose to add an icon. Now I'm not going to add the icon yet because they have a special section for the icon. But once again, this is an interactive course. So I want you to try things. Even if I'm not trying those, I want you to try it and see what you come up with. So let's scroll down to the behaviors again. I click on apply. And then when you click on apply, you would first have to save the page. But if you wanted to add some more, you can add some more accordion. And then you click on apply. Now let's say that you decided that, you want to be able to reset the grid or you want to change the settings. So you can do this here. You reset it. And then if you want to change the settings for anything that you see of the elements, you would put your mouse over here and you click on the edit, or you can click on this drop down. You can edit, you can duplicate, you can copy the style, you can save to library, and saving to library allows for you to use it later on again, which I covered before. You can disable it or you can delete. So in this case, I'm just going to delete this one. So now that's been deleted. I can come back here and I want to duplicate it. And you can move it over by dragging down and you move it pretty much anywhere. So that is how you add an accordion. It's very simple, and give it a shot.